Well, hello everybody and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to DIY a table lamp using things that you probably already have around your home. As always, this DIY is going to be simple, affordable, and easy to recreate. So if you're interested in seeing what I have created today, just keep on watching. I really love the shape of this juice container, so I decided to use this as the base for my lamp. First thing I need to do is place a hole in the container so that I have a way to slide my electrical cords through it. So I tried using this blade, but that did not work very well, so I had to break out the soldering iron. Now that I have my hole in place, I'm going to go ahead and paint this a pretty pink color. I'll need to let the paint dry for about an hour, and then I'm going to go in with this specialty glitter that I picked up at my local craft store. Next, I'll be using this bowl that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and once again I'm going to be using my soldering iron to place a hole in the top of my bowl. I'll be using this iridescent colored bling sticker that I picked up from Amazon, and if you're interested in purchasing these stickers, I'll have a link for you below. Now I'm going to be using these diamond bling vase fillers that I normally get from the Dollar Tree, but I couldn't find any of the clear ones at Dollar Tree, so I had to pick these up from Amazon. I will link that below if you guys need to purchase them. Now I'm ready to assemble the lamp. The power cord as well as the clip-on lampshade were from Amazon. So right here I'm just using some hot glue to secure everything. Now you can use a more permanent glue if you would like to, but for the sake of the video I'm just going to be using hot glue. So this is how it looks. So yeah, I was not anticipating the height of the bulb when I was putting this together. So I'm gonna have to improvise on this and do some adjustments. I do have an idea of what I want to do, and I will update you guys on a later DIY on how I am going to do this. So overall, I am quite happy with the way it turned out. I do have a vision for the finished product, so I'm happy with it. But yeah, what do you guys think about this DIY? Did you guys find some inspiration for yourselves if you plan on doing something like this? I hope so. So guys, that's it. That's all that I have today. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big, huge thumbs up, as well as hitting the notification button and sharing with your friends and family. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.